Welcome back to another video. I'll be showing you the news on the WeUseCoin website. As you guys know, I am already on the WeUseCoin website. You guys can read the 10 most recent Bitcoin news articles or review the archive. You can also see the overview table of contents. These are the contents that you can click. You can also watch a video. There will be step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. You can also see a week with Dr. Adam Back. So this is the expert in the world of blockchain. Here are some questions about him. You can see general understanding around the world, security, finance, legal, and much more. As you guys can see, the title relates to the links. For example, it will say around the world. Bitcoin in Brazil is related to around the world. You guys can watch this video by clicking these links. You could also watch their website on their video. And on the bottom, you could see a banner, a subscribe link, also their social media. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can visit the WeUseCoin website. You can read over 150 pages by clicking these links. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the news on the WeUseCoin website.